Random home spaces stop working. Stop it.
Okay. Hello, hello. This is Eileen Whipple coming to you live from my office here in Arizona. And we're going to talk about hair care today. I'm going to tell you a few things about hair care and then show you how to use it. I know you're thinking, why would I need to learn how to use it? But actually you do. So have you ever felt this way with your hair, going, oh my gosh, can it ever look good? Yes, I think we all have had our moments. And that is not switching. So did you know that your skin and your hair absorbs all the toxins around us? And the skin absorbs 60% of what's around us in 26 seconds. Your forehead and your scalp, it's 4 times faster. So what you put on your forehead and scalp are vitally important. What's right under here? You've got your brain. We need that brain strong. And how many neurological challenges are we having in this world? We really need to reduce our toxin intake. And one way that you can do that is by learning about what is toxic in your environment. This is a third-party app. It's called Think Dirty. Please download it on your phone. Analyze what shampoos, what soaps you're using in your house, what lotions you're using. And if you have a baby, please, please, please investigate what you're using. This is a sample of just a few products that I pulled. They're all 8s, which is not safe. I took the top 5 ingredients. I put them into the computer and I asked what are they for or what can happen. And this one, I love this one. It says, and it can lead to hair damage. That's your hair care. You don't want it to lead to hair damage because that's what you're using it for hair vibrance, right? So crazy things. And the most vital one I really want you to avoid is fragrance. This is a word that the FDA allows because they haven't patented secret, according to all these companies, of what their fragrance is. They don't list it because it is so highly toxic. And the FDA allows it because they say, oh, it's only on your skin or your hair for moments. Well, as I just showed you, 23 seconds, and the scalp and the forehead are 4 times faster. We need to be extra careful. So these are just some things that fragrance can cause. We've got cancers, we got diabetes, we got asthma, we have lung disease. Please, please, please be aware of this. And if you've got babies, please look into that Think Dirty app so you get products that are quality for those little ones. This was the expensive shampoo I was buying. Look at it. It says vegan, gluten-free, paraben-free. Sounds awesome, right? An 8 because of the word fragrance. That fragrance kills the quality of every product that we have got in our possessions. This is a hair care system that has actually got 0s, 1s, and 2s. The hair care system has 1s and 2s. And as you can see, we have done a clean product. It's clean for the environment and it's clean for your hair. So this is part of my story. This is my daughter, and she used to have hair that was all tangly and it was not vibrant, and we were always telling her to go brush her hair. And then after just 2 shampoos, this is her hair on the right, where you can see that it's dark, rich color. It's got beautiful curls we never even knew existed, and now I can comb my fingers through her hair any time of day. And I'm going to bring her on, and this is Nicole. We're going to show you how to use the hair care serum, because I think that's one thing that we need to share with people. So I'm going to stop screen share. All right, and this is Nicole. Say hi.
Hi.
All right. So basically, here is our shampoo, and here is our conditioner. I got to step back so I could be in the screen a little bit. So the shampoo is really liquidy because it does not have any thickeners in it, which are the toxins that we don't want. So you need to make sure that when you get that, you close the cap firmly. And with the conditioner, it's just a conditioner that you're familiar with. But what we did in our house is we went to Amazon and we just bought these bottles and put the shampoo and conditioner in here. It made it very self-regulated to make sure that we got the right amounts for the various ages we have in our home. Another tool that we use this to comb through the hair while you're in the shower with that conditioner so that you can spread it evenly, but it also gives that scalp just a bit of a massage. So that helps the hair follicles. Our last product is the scalp serum. This is one that we really want to focus on, is how to use, because this is such a unique product. So this scalp serum is helping with appearance of hair thickness. It is anti-dandruff, and it has anti-itching, and it can help with rashes. So, and it's all natural, as you saw on that one chart. So basically what you're going to do is you're going to part the hair wherever the problem is that you want to address. And then you're going to take your serum. And if you notice, the serum is white like that. And you're just going to put it on the scalp. You don't want it on the hair. If you get it on the hair, it will be greasy. So you can see I'm doing a line down the scalp. So tip your head forward. You see that? That's the serum there. And then I'm going to take my fingers and I'm going to scrub it into the scalp, because the scalp is what we're trying to do. We don't want it on your hair. It's going to make your hair look greasy. We want it in the scalp. And you can use this twice a day, and morning and night, but make sure you do it after you shower and after you've washed your hair, so you don't wash it out, because we want it in that scalp, fixing the scalp of what you're trying to do. Now you're going to have multiple areas that you're going to want to do, so then you just part the hair. And you're going to do the same process again. I'm going to take and do a nice heavy line down that scalp. Oop, I got a little bit on your hair. And tip for, oh, you can see that pretty well on the camera. And then we're just going to scrub that in. And you can also, you can do this yourself, but we're just doing it this way for a demonstration so you can see it. And if your problem spot is here on the back of your head, where most people's are right here, right? We're just going to part the hair and we're going to scrub it into that part of the hair. And so anyway, that's how we use the scalp serum. If you have any questions, please leave your comments below. We are happy to answer anything. I have found personally the shampoo and the conditioner have been lasting about 2 to 3 months, because the quantity we use is so little with the quality that it is. I find myself only shampooing about every 4 to 5 days, which is saving on that shampoo. So anyway, have a great day, and thanks for tuning in.